Hi, welcome back to Sweets and Beyond. My name is Ida, and today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy air fryer chicken wings. You'll be surprised how easy they are. Here are the ingredients. We're going to start with 10 chicken wings. I rinsed them and I patted them dry with paper towels. Here I have 2 teaspoons of sazonador completo. Here I have 1 teaspoon of adobo Goya, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. And the surprising ingredient for extra crispy wings is 1 tablespoon of baking powder. This will make your wings amazing in this air fryer. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by preheating our air fryer. I have the Magic Chef air fryer. So we're going to start it at, you see right here, at 400 degrees. We're going to preheat it while we do our seasoning for the wings. So you're gonna hear it in the background. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a regular bowl. I'm going to put in the chicken wings, add the seasonings, just like this. They're going to be so amazing. And baking powder. This is the baking powder. This is what you're going to use. And this is what makes your wings very, very crispy. So, just like that. I'm going to put it all together and we're going to shake it up. So we'll be back when we get to put them in the fryer. So I just sprayed it a little bit with a non-stick spray just to make sure it doesn't stick. So the air fryer preheated for 3 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay the chicken wings inside the air fryer, just like this. And one side is the top, one side is the bottom. You're going to put the pretty side, the presentation side, on the bottom first, because we're going to cook this for 10 minutes. Just like this, we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. At 400 degrees, and then we're going to flip them and cook them 10 more minutes, and you have fantastic wings. So we'll be back when the 10 minutes are up and we get to flip them. Here we go. So it's been 10 minutes and look how pretty they look. So now we're just going to flip them and we're going to cook them. You see what I was saying about the presentation side down? See, now this is going to get beautifully golden and crunchy. So now, flip them. 10 more minutes at 400 degrees, okay? We'll be back when I get to eat one. So after 10 minutes, look at this, guys. See how beautiful, look. They're nice and crunchy. The baking powder does not add salt, but it'll draw out the moisture and the fat, leaving you with a beautiful, crunchy air fryer wing. So you can serve this like this because they are nicely seasoned, or here I have like some teriyaki, some buffalo wing sauce, and of course blue cheese. So if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell button so you can get the notifications of my videos, and the links to my social media, to my Instagram and to my Facebook, will be in the description box down below. So there's nothing else to say but Buen Provecho. I don't know which one to pick. Maybe a really crunchy one. There, here. See, look at that. And I love blue cheese, but I'm going to try it just like this. Look. Hear that crunch? Buen Provecho. Amazing. Try it.